That's why I feel like I could fight pro.
Okay. So it's you said it's full round for the fight.
Yeah, 4 round. I guess when you start, it's
Hmm.
4 rounds. I don't know up until like 6, 7 fights, 4 rounds. And, after that, I guess it goes up to six,
Okay.
8.
Okay.
Yeah, 4 rounds.
Yeah. And the fight is in Hartford, and it's going to be April 18th. And I'm
Yeah, yeah,
loving.
it's coming, right, cuz?
Yeah, of course I'm coming. Come on now, you
Yeah,
closer to
April
me.
18th
April
in
18th
Hartford.
in
Okay.
Hartford, and I
Right.
love the outfit though that you're gonna be wearing. Yo, Irby, I have not shared that
Yeah.
picture with you.
Okay.
Yo, it is crazy. Talking about the Haitian flag, like,
Right.
bruh. I'm telling you, once you see it, you're gonna be like, man, mama,
Many mama,
many
many.
mama, many